Today, we're here at the border of Dubai and Abu Dhabi, checking out this masterpiece of a mansion developed by Ohana in their community called Jurf. Now they say, go big or go home. I say, why not both? Let's check it out. So, this is where we are at the entrance. You're welcomed by beautiful greenery surrounding your area, and you've got a massive driveway to park all your sports cars. And of course, we've got the world's largest door right here. Let's go through. Inside, we're welcomed by a beautiful, large space full of living room, dining table, kitchen, dirty kitchen, maid's room on that end, and of course, we've got powder rooms, everything you need for that luxury lifestyle. And of course, a massive pool, because the bigger, the better. And of course, we've also got a 1-bedroom guest room. Now, this is larger than most apartments that you'll find in Dubai, so don't be alarmed. Peaceful. Down here, full custom closet, as well as a bathroom. Now let's go upstairs where the magic happens. Of course, you also have greenery inside as well, because oxygen is number one. Now upstairs, we've got 4 bedrooms, 3 of them being generally the same. Let's go check out the master bedroom. You're welcomed with elegance, a beautiful seating area. Of course, the bedroom, but let's go where the money is made. Now this closet is larger than most studios available today, but so is the bathroom. And of course, we have a bathtub for meditation.